Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to edit your voice in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. If you do not already have it guys, just go to the App Store, download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started with selecting our tracks that we want to record. So guys, you can see right here in the upper right corner we have the live loops section where we can go and see that we can record EDM tracks, loops, and so on, or we can just go to the tracks right here and select if we want to record ourselves using an instrument like drums, or we can use the audio recorder. So let's go ahead and open up the audio recorder so that we can record our voice, and let's go ahead and see how to record. So basically, to get started with recording yourself, you want to click the big red circle at the top of the screen. By clicking the big red circle, as you can see, this is now starting to record our voice, and I have just finished my recording, and now we can get started with editing our voice. And how do you do that guys? Well, here as you can see, first of all, we have the effects that we can use. We have the clean option, we have the sci-fi, the monster, and so on. And here you can go ahead and manage your tone with the slider. You have the option to manage your squeeze and so on. So here is what we can do to firstly edit it, but the main edit tools are right here in the upper left corner. By clicking the sliders button, that's going to open up this new settings right here where we can manage our recording settings. So if you scroll down, you can see you can go ahead and manage your plugins and equalizer. Here you have your noise gate, visual equalizer, and so on that you can manage right here. Manage the bass, and you have your master effects. Under master effects, you can manage your echo, your reverb, and how you sound so that you can get your desired voice effect. After that, you can just save it and use your new voice effects. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.